In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the size of your font on this HUAWEI. First of all, you need to access Settings and scroll down just a bit. Now click on Display and Brightness. From here, you need to click on Text Size and Weight. And now swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview of your font over here. When you're ready, click on the back button, and as you can see after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!